Hello YouTube, what's up my friends, Moody's here, and today we are going to have a very simple unboxing for this new hard drive enclosure from ORICO, and it's a clear fiberglass or plastic one, so we are going to unbox it together. But first of all, I want to thank you, all of you my friends, for subscribing to my channel. I'm drinking my soda in this YouTube mug, celebrating with all of you that our channel just broke the 1k or 1000 subscribers. I know it's a very tiny on the ocean of YouTube subscribers and enormous channels that are breaking tremendous amount of subscribers every day and night, but still those 1000 subscribers are really a big deal for me, and I'm really thankful for all of you my friends. And please always feel free to comment and share the contents and ask me about anything, and I will do my best to answer all your questions my friends. So cheers. You have to be careful not to cut any cable inside. Nice package for a hard drive enclosure. It looks so premium. So this is the enclosure itself and a USB 3 cable. So this is a USB 3 rack or enclosure my friends, and this is a tiny manual or instruction booklet. Not a booklet, just a piece of paper. So let's open this up. Nice and easy. Here is the enclosure itself, and it has a very nice name on it, ORICO. It looks really nice. USB 3 board. I like this clear enclosure my friends. It looks really fantastic. Nice. Wow, look at this my friends. These are a very premium contents because these are solid capacitors, which means this is really a high value enclosure. It's just the best I have ever bought. Alright. My hard drive fits in there perfectly, and let's close it. Nice. Let's remove this plastic and enjoy this super crystal clear view. It looks really fantastic my friends. I would feel so sad if this gets a little scratch on it because it looks fantastic my friends. Check this out. You can see your drive and still it's protected inside. So this is a long USB 3 cable. Pretty long. Does the job. It's longer than the usual one included with your hard drive. And it would be way much faster if you install a solid state drive, but since solid states are really expensive, and this is only a backup drive for me, it's not my usual driver because I have a couple of 4 terabytes hard drives. When I use the USB 2 rack, it used to take like 6 or 7 hours to back up my entire laptop contents, and I think this will make it way faster. I think my friends they are missing something here. It would be really nice if they had a very tiny rubber feet on the bottom of this hard drive enclosure so that it won't slide left and right on your disk, and also to not get any scratches at the bottom of it. It would be really bad, and I thought why not installing some special tiny rubber feet to it. Considering I have OCD, so I'm struggling to install them with the perfect position. Now we got those rubber feet to make it steady on your disk. that was it, my friends. This is my new USB 3 hard drive enclosure from ORICO. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit thumbs up if you liked the video, and for sure subscribe for more. That would be so much appreciated. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Peace.